How to react if a power line falls on your car. Having a power line fall on your car can be one of the scariest things you could ever face while driving. If an active power line falls onto your car, it can charge the car with electricity, meaning that you have to act with extreme caution to avoid getting electrocuted. If your car isn't on fire, call 911 and stay put in your car, being careful not to touch the car's frame. If your car is on fire, exit the car by jumping free of the vehicle without making contact with the metal inside of the car. Then, still holding your legs together, shuffle to safety with both of your feet together on the ground until you're 50 feet from the car. If you come back to your parked car to see that a power line has fallen on it, call 911 and don't approach it. Acting after the line falls. Stay inside the car if possible. Unless your car is on fire, it's very important to stay inside your car once a power line falls. When a power line falls on your car, it often charges the metal parts of the car with electrical current, meaning that if you attempt to exit as you normally do, you will be electrocuted. After the line falls, look around the inside of your car and out the windows. If you don't see flames or smoke, you aren't in any immediate danger. The safest thing you can do is to stay inside. If you see flames and smoke, refer to Method 2 for instructions on safely evacuating the car. If there are other passengers in the car, communicate with them that the safest thing to do is to stay inside the car. Even one person exiting the car incorrectly could put you all in danger of electrocution. Don't touch the inside of the car. Sit still in your car with your hands in your lap. Take extra care not to touch the frame of your car, which is very possibly charged with electrical current. As long as you stay still and don't touch the frame of your car, you are safe inside your car. Call 911. Use your cell phone to call 911. Give them your address, and tell that a power line fell on your car. They will likely give you some advice such as staying inside the car, but if they give you specific pieces of advice, make sure to follow them. Warn people not to touch the car or power line. If you notice cars coming behind you or approaching the power line from the opposite lane, honk your horn to signal to them that they should not get near the line. If anyone gets out of their car to investigate or try to help you, shout over to them that they should not touch your car or get anywhere near the fallen power line. If you don't have your cell phone on you and weren't able to dial 911, ask anyone who approaches if they will call 911 for you. Do not have them hand you the phone, instead, tell them to call 911, explain the situation, and provide the address of the downed line. Follow the police's directions. Once the dispatchers arrive to the scene, they will approach the car and possibly ask questions or give you instructions. Follow whatever advice they give you, as they will be able to assess your individual situation. Only exit the car after they tell you that the power to the line is out and grounded, and it is safe to get out of your vehicle.